Hey guys, I was at Costco today. They have this awesome Yamaha P45 digital piano on sale. It's an 88 key, full-size keys for $499. Normally this is around $599 or $600 for this setup. It basically comes with a full-size keyboard piano, digital piano. This is the P45B, and it basically also has like furniture-like stands for the side instead of a temporary stand that folds out. That's compact. It basically has it looks real. It comes with a bench as well, and it also has the it basically has a full-size keyboard and stuff. And the feel of this is great. If you're just basically want to play a piano or you're learning as a student, this is pretty awesome. I had one when I was in college, but living in apartments, this was really convenient because of the size. But mine's didn't have, it also has the pedal for sustain pedal, but mine's was the fold out one, and I think the keyboard then was roughly already like $500 or so, and then it came a temporary fold out keyboard stand. But this one actually has feet for this thing, so it actually looks like a nice piano setup in case you have a small apartment space or something else, but yet don't want to look kind of cheap to have a fold out stand for it. Anyways, guys, this is a perfect Christmas gift or something else like that. If for someone who's just getting a little better than just doing an intermediate learning how to play piano, or just a nice piece if you really just want a full-size key piano available at home. But anyways, please like, subscribe, hit that bell button for more Costco finds, and see you next time. Stay tuned.